Great food isn't just about good ingredients and knowing how to cook, it's about telling the story of the food. What's up, guys? Welcome to Cara's Cucina. I'm Cara Di Falco, and today we have special guest Mike Favetta in the Cucina. You guys might remember him either from News 12 Westchester, if you were fans of that, or from my vlog from Italy, where he joined us, because that is where you moved to. Can you really briefly explain to everybody how you went from New Jersey to Italy?
Yeah, but I tell people Milan by way of Mars. So heading out to Italy, I'm working with a company out there. Think of it as like the AccuWeather of Italy, working on climate change solutions. So it's exciting. Europe is really all about the whole climate change scene, and getting a lot of work out there.
Okay. And today you're going to be teaching us how to make Cacio Pepe, which is a dish that I love, really traditional Roman dish, actually. Basically the Italian version of mac and cheese, but so much better.
It is much better.
Much better. Really basic dish, but it's all in the finesse, it's all in the technique.
It is. You know, it's a dish where your generations and my ancestors come from, and yet it's so hard to make with the American version of the ingredients, even if they're imported. But it is about the technique and the skill. So downstairs from my apartment, there's Nonna, and she taught me her spin on it and the proper technique of how to do it, and that's why I'd like to share that with you today.
I'm so excited. So I was so psyched when Mike said he wanted to come to the Cucina and show you guys this. So we are going to be making Cacio Pepe. So Mike was kind enough to make our pasta today. So it's pasta alla chitarra. This is it means guitar in Italian. And can you explain to everybody how this works?
So it's very simple. It comes from after medieval times, from the central region of Italy, the Abruzzo region. And
also where I'm from.
Yeah. This is where the ancestry line is. And so you put your flat piece of pasta over it and press it through, and what falls through are these noodles that you would use, and they look like spaghetti, basically. And it's called spaghetti alla chitarra.
So this is what we're going to be using in our Cacio Pepe today. But at home you can just get spaghetti if you don't want to make your fresh pasta, but I had shown you guys how to make fresh pasta, so you know what you're doing.
So now we take the black pepper, and it has to heat up a little bit on the pan, like toasting it. I know how you toast your nuts or toast almonds. Same concept. It gets rid of that very peppery spice that would make it too bitter to eat alone. And so it kind of adds a little bit of a milder pepper flavor. That takes about 2-3 minutes, so now we can add the pasta.
Okay, so how do folks know when the pepper is toasted enough?
Well, when your nostrils don't want to catch on fire.
So you gotta smell it, like, you know, okay, so again, with Italian recipes, I mean, there's really not, you know, the instructions are not always great. You have to kind of have some knowledge behind it, but if you were to smell that right now, you know, it smells like pepper, but it's not burning. It's not, you're right, it's not. It smells much more mild, very gentle.
Almost floral.
Almost floral, yeah. Okay, so our pasta is floating.
Done. So fresh pasta cooks in a matter of seconds, maybe 90 seconds at most, and when it floats, it's done. So we'll take the pasta off, we'll let it drain, and now it's time to make the sauce, the cacio part.
Okay.
So now the magic happens. Where we have the pecorino romano. We'll add it to our bowl mixed with hot water, add it to the pepper, pasta goes in, dish is done. Simple as that.
It really is that simple. But and at the same time, we got it. So the key here really is to make sure that the cheese is really finely grated.
Like snow.
Okay.
Come la neve. Okay. Grab the hot water and we'll add it in. So pour the hot water, and I will mix. And so we're basically making like a sauce, like a paste.
Yeah.
And look at how it dissolves nicely.
There we go.
Almost like a milky consistency. And the more cheese you add to the hot water,
the thicker it's gonna get.
The thicker it gets, exactly. So there's your cacio. Add a little more hot water.
A little more. Watch your hand, Mike. I don't want to burn nobody. And this is not the pasta water. See, I always thought this was done with the pasta water, but this is with fresh water.
It's a little too salty.
It becomes too salty.
Yeah, a little too salty, only because you have salt on top of salt. The cheese is salty.
Yes.
The pasta's salted. Okay.
That looks good to you?
You want to grab the pasta or grab the sauce?
I'll grab the pasta. We got our...
Look at that sauce.
That looks beautiful.
Okay.
All right. Okay, so you're pouring that into our pan?
Yep.
Woo!
Add the pasta. And we mix it up nicely. And there is your dish. That's your dish of cacio e pepe.
Gorgeous. We're gonna grab some plates, Mike. You and me, we're gonna do a little taste test, see how we did.
Good.
All right, guys, time to dig in. Mike, I can't thank you enough for coming and showing us how to make this.
My
is one of
pleasure.
my favorite dishes. I'm so excited. Let's see how we did.
The 4,000-mile journey was worth it.
Oh my God.
Mm.
It's excellent.
Mm-hmm.
It is excellent. Thank you so much. I'm so happy to know how to do this. Guys, and of course, you can get the written recipe, caradifalco.com. You can also leave a comment and a thumbs up if you like this video. And make sure you hit that subscribe button and the little bell icon so you always know when there is a new recipe out for you. That is it for this week in the Cucina. I'll see you guys next time. Buon appetito.
Arrivederci.